Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate the C programming language inside your Flutter application using Dart FFI. So let's get started. In case if you are wondering why we are doing that, suppose if you are trying to do some performance critical work, Dart won't be the right language for it. So yeah, you can use C programming language, or if there is some other library which is written in C programming, you can directly use it inside your Flutter project. So yeah, that's what this video is about. So let's get started. So basically I will keep things simple because I'm not really an expert in C programming language, but yeah, I'll show you how to add it to your Flutter project. So here you can see I have just created one Flutter project. Okay, and what I'll do is I will just add this search for FFI inside pub.dev. I have already done that, and this is the dependency which we are looking for. So I'll go to the installing section and I'll just copy this. So use whatever is the latest version at the time of you recording it. I'll scroll down and I'll add it over here. I'll click on save. Okay, so this is done. Then we have to create a plugins folder inside our application. So I'll just create that. Okay, then I will open my terminal. I will cd to my app, Flutter app. Okay, I'll just clear everything out. Then I will cd to the plugins folder which I have. Then we have to run this particular command. So Flutter create, this should be your plugin name. So I have just kept things simple. So I have kept it as C_plugin, platforms Android, iOS, macOS, Windows, Linux. Web is little complicated, you will have to use WebAssembly. I don't want to go into that. And template is plugin_FFI. so we just have to run this particular command. I'll take this, I'll run it over here, and it will create all the source code, it will create all the code for us. Okay, so it has already created. Then we have inside our pub spec we have to add this bit of code. So I'll just go over here inside our pub spec. Okay, okay, I have created one practice project as well. Let me check where exactly I have added. Okay, so we have to add it over here. So we have to add something like this. Okay, and so I'll go to my spec, and here we will have to add it something like this. Hopefully this is proper. So yeah, this looks okay to me. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Now this is the name of our plugin, right? While creating it, that's why this is C_plugin as well as C_plugin. If you have given it some different name for your plugin, you will have to use that over here. Then okay, then what I'll do again, I'll just go to my practice project. Again, ignore this. I'll just copy some code and I'll get back to you. So all we have to do is change our main.dart. Okay, so basically what I have done is that I have just refactored this my homepage widget, and here at the very top I have imported our C plugin as well. Again, if your name is different, you will have to change this as well. So here you can see that I have just created one variable called data equal to 0. Here I have created one text button, and on click of it we are passing two numbers to it, 10, 10, and it will do the addition for us, and I am displaying this inside our text component. Now you might be wondering, from where did I wrote this sum method? There is no sum method written over here. So if you go to your plugins, where exactly is it? src c plugin._c. Here you can see there is a sum method which is already defined for us whenever we create a plugin. Okay, so yeah, that's the method which I'm using. I'm not writing my own C code because I'm not really good at it, but if you want, you can write your own C code over here and then call it from the Dart side. So yeah, that's it. I'll quickly run the application and show you guys the output. Also make sure you run this on a real device. This is the output for my real Android device, and if I just click on add values, here you can see it gets changed to 20. I have just changed the button name to add values. Okay, app running on the iOS simulator as well, and if I click on add values, here you can see the value does change. Now I don't know why, but I couldn't really figure it out why it is not working on my iPad device. So I'll just show it to you as well. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't really test it, but on my real ipad device, it works fine on the simulator, it works fine on real android device as well. But when I run it on my ipad device, I'm just running the wrong app. I'm running it on my real ipad device, and if I click on add values, now it is working. I don't know what happened. Previously it wasn't working for me, so thankfully it is working. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.